Do you enjoy eating at restaurants?
Do you know how to order dinner in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at a restaurant.
This lesson will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson is about ordering dinner at a restaurant.
You'll learn useful English expressions for ordering food, asking questions, and having a natural conversation.
Let's get started.
Hi, Paul. Are you hungry?
Hi, Emily. Yes, I'm very hungry today.
Would you like to have dinner together?
That sounds great.
Do you know a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there's a popular restaurant around the corner.
Perfect. Let's go. Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Restaurant.
Good evening.
How many people are in your party? 2 people, please. Certainly. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table. This is a nice place.
Yes, I like the atmosphere. Good evening. Here are your menus.
Thank you. There are so many choices.
What would you like to eat?
I'm not sure yet. I think I'll order grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious.
What do you usually order?
I usually order pasta or steak.
The steak looks good.
You're right.
Would you like an appetizer?
Yes, how about some soup?
Great idea.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
What would you like to start with?
We'll have 2 bowls of tomato soup, please.
Certainly.
For my main course, I'd like the grilled chicken.
Excellent choice. I'd like the steak, please.
How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium, please. Would you like any side dishes? Yes, I'd like mashed potatoes.
And I'd like a salad.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have orange juice.
I'll have iced tea. Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly.
I'm really hungry.
Me too.
Do you eat at restaurants often?
Not very often.
Why not?
Because I usually cook at home.
That's healthy.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes.
What's your favorite food?
I love Italian food.
Really? I love Italian food too.
Maybe we should visit an Italian restaurant next time.
That's a great idea. Here are your meals.
Thank you very much.
Wow, the steak looks amazing.
My grilled chicken looks delicious too.
Let's eat.
How is your steak?
It's fantastic.
Really?
Yes, it's cooked perfectly.
My chicken is very good too.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. We'd like the bill, please.
Certainly.
Dinner was excellent.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. Here's your bill. Thank you.
How much is it?
It's $45.
Let's split the bill.
Okay. Will you pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Thank you very much.
Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for ordering food at a restaurant.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.